Jay Grieve with the School of Professional Home Inspection, and we have a little plumbing tip for you today. We're looking at a pipe on the outside of the house. Let's take a kind of a close look at it. It's painted blue. It's 1.5 inch ABS and kind of in a weird place for a pipe. So let's go see what it is. Can you hear that? That's a sewer vent. That is the sewer vent for the kitchen sink. And of course, a kitchen sink sewer vent is not supposed to discharge on the outside of the house. That vent should go above the roof line. Anyway, here's a homeowner's tip for you. This again is JJ with the School of Professional Home Inspection. And you have a great day.